Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to cancel Bitdefender Auto-Renewal and stop your subscription in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Bitdefender Central website. Log in using the account credentials linked to your Bitdefender subscription. Next, click on My Subscriptions from the dashboard. Here you'll see all your active Bitdefender subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel. Look for the auto-renewal option and click Turn Off or Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Bitdefender will usually send a confirmation email once the cancellation is successful. Make sure to keep your account login information, as you may still have access to the subscription until the current billing cycle ends. If you purchased Bitdefender through a third-party platform like the App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel the subscription through that platform instead of Bitdefender Central. By following these steps, you can quickly cancel Bitdefender Auto-Renewal in 2025 and avoid being charged for the next billing cycle. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.